Hi, in today's video, we'll explore how to withdraw money from your Gofundme account. Watch until the end to learn the complete process and additional tips. To begin withdrawing funds, click on the Withdrawal tab located in the top left corner of your Gofundme dashboard. This will take you to the Setup Withdrawals page, where you'll need to provide some essential information. You will need to specify who will withdraw the funds, the bank account where the funds will be deposited, the type of bank account, either checking or savings, and whether the account is personally or organizationally owned. Next, enter your personal information, including your phone number, home address, date of birth, and social security number. After this, you'll connect your bank account to your Gofundme account. Once the Gofundme team verifies this information, the funds will be automatically transferred to your bank account. The initial withdrawal can take between 2 and 5 business days to process. After the first withdrawal, any subsequent donations will be processed within 1 to 14 business days and will be transferred automatically to your bank account on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. And that's how you can get money off Gofundme. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.